Throughout history, some inventions have astonishingly blurred the line between genius and nonsensical. Take the electric corset, designed to help women achieve their ideal figure with electric shocks. Yes, you heard that right. Then there's the anti-snore helmet, a bizarre contraption meant to prevent snoring by gently vibrating the head if snoring occurred. Moving on to the delightful canned air, a product once marketed as the perfect way to breathe in fresh mountain air without leaving home. And let's not forget the peculiar flying car prototype that used a set of enormous wings but never really took off. These inventions remind us that sometimes creativity can lead to the strangest outcomes, leaving us both fascinated and bewildered.